Everyone, my name is Tushar Chaudhary, and right now I am working as a master scuba diver trainer with Urban Nomad Diving School in Puducherry. My hashtag job is to teach people scuba diving and to train scuba divers in specialty diving and upgraded knowledge courses. Hashtag job इसलिए बोला cause if somebody tells me to do my job and says they'll not pay me any salary, I'll do it happily and I'll do it for free because it's fun. People pay for scuba diving and I get paid for it. What else I need? I believe in learning through process. I believe in learning through life. And learning always helps in achieving success. I met R.K. Pandey sir in 2018 when I was preparing for my last AFSB attempt. I've been to AFSB 7 times and got conferenced out 6 times. But I never felt low. Just because my mom says sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. And my learning started with my first rejection. And I'm still learning. My only focus was on Indian Air Force because I always wanted to be a pilot. And I worked hard for it. I still remember that we used to hitchhike with sir till metro station when I was taking coaching at train for SSB. And one day sir asked me कि अगर selection नहीं हुआ तो क्या? And I remembered that I said कि सर सबसे पहले तो मैं टैटू बनवाऊंगा. Cause I followed a disciplined routine for 4 years after completing my engineering as I wanted to be a pilot. तो serious तो होना था. एंड उसके बाद मैंने सर से बोला कि सर घर वालों ने कहा है कि MBA कर ले, सो आई विल गो फॉर MBA एंड देन आई विल गेट अ जॉब, स्टार्ट एन ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ जस्ट लाइक अ आम आदमी. पर उन्होंने मेरे को एक चीज़ बोली. ही टोल्ड मी दैट कि तेरा जो पोटेंशियल है एंड द काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी यू हैव, यू शुड ट्राई फॉर एक्सट्रीम स्पोर्ट्स और एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स. एंड मे बी वो बात कहीं ना कहीं मेरे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रह गई थी. I'm not a storyteller, neither I'm very good at speeches, but I would love to share my story of rejection and taking risk because if I can, then you can and everyone else can. After getting conferenced out for the 7th time, I moved on to MBA. I cleared the IBS examination and went to Hyderabad for the interview. IBS Hyderabad is one of the known business schools in India. Me and my friend, we both went there together. My friend, he entered the college and on the other hand, मैंने वहीं उसी वक्त decide किया that I am not gonna do this. I turned back and मैंने हैदराबाद की सारी टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस एंड क्यूजीन प्लेसेस की एक लिस्ट बनाई. उसके बाद मैंने एक स्कूटी रेंट पर ली एंड फॉर द 5 days आई वॉज एक्सप्लोरिंग द सिटी. एंड उन 5 दिनों में आई रियलाइज्ड कि अगर मेरे को अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी बनना है, अगर मेरे को ज़िंदगी में कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी करना है, देन आई हैव टू थिंक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरीली. एंड तभी वो सर का जो सजेशन था एक्सट्रीम स्पोर्ट्स वाला, वो मेरे दिमाग में किक इन करा. एंड फॉर द next 3 months I was exploring mountaineering, skiing, rafting, skydiving and scuba diving. Finally and luckily scuba diving hooked me up. I told this to my parents with confidence and was able to convince them after a little struggle. They also watched me working hard on something and they were satisfied, so they never stopped me. They supported me in all my decisions. उसके बाद मैंने एक चीज़ और डिस्कवर करी कि सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग या डॉक्टर या गवर्नमेंट जॉब या डिफेंस जॉब ही बहुत अच्छे जॉब्स नहीं होते हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गुड जॉब्स दैट आई कैन डू ईजीली. एंड मुझे मेरा रास्ता मिल गया था. एवरीबडी हैज सम टैलेंट, इट्स जस्ट वी नीड टू फिगर इट आउट. आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ बिकमिंग अ स्कूबा डाइवर, बट सर के उस एक सजेशन ने मेरी सोच और मेरी ज़िंदगी दोनों कम्प्लीटली चेंज कर दी. अब मैं अपनी जॉब सिक्योरिटी से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस अपनी जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन को देता हूँ. एंड विद द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड मैं जो करना चाहता हूँ और जिसमें मैं अच्छा हूँ, मैं आज वही कर रहा हूँ. स्कूबा डाइविंग इज़ अदरली डायमेंशनल फीलिंग. इट्स कम्प्लीटली अदरली वर्ल्ड. I'll be always thankful to sir, not just because he gave me a direction to put my energy in, but also for helping me to understand the right value of confidence. I always worked upon my qualities like hard work, willpower, discipline, patience, attitude, and practical thinking. But when I started using my confidence in the right manner, every quality started to work together for me. And I was able to achieve everything I wanted and I was working for. I realized that to have good attitude while having patience needs confidence. And confidence comes through hard work. That's why I never gave up and nobody should. Always try. Even before starting my career in scuba diving, I called sir and I asked him that am I going in the right direction? He replied that you will do good and also said if you start something of your own, you will do much better. And today I am working hard to reach that point where I'll have something of my own. And it's all because of R.K. Pandey sir. I'm happy that I got a mentor who believes in me more than me. The training I took from Train for SSB helped me a lot. That's why I said when you learn through a process, it always helps you, no matter in what field or no matter in what job. If you want to know in detail about scuba diving, you can contact me anytime without hesitation. And if you want to know more about me and my lifestyle, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My account details are given below. Thank you very much for listening and wish you guys all luck for whatever you all are trying to achieve. You'll achieve it. Thanks. Have a good day.